Joyful, joyful Lord, we adore thee. God of glory, Lord of love. Hearts unfold like flowers before.
Hi everyone, it's me again, Chaplain Evalyn Roache. I am here today to share with you how the Lord has just blessed me once again in ministry. Next Saturday, November the 4th, 2017 at 11:30 a.m., I will be hosting a radio show entitled Sounds of the Valley with yours truly, Chaplain Evalyn Roache. The broadcast will be on 97.9 FM and will also be live streaming on gospeljam.net. Praise the Lord, everybody. It's me again, Chaplain Evalyn Roache. I'm just here today to share a bit of information with you on how the Lord has blessed me once again. You know, the Lord is always blessing me. Any way He blesses me, I'm satisfied. But let me tell you how He blessed me this time. Next Saturday, November the 4th, 2017 at 11:30 a.m., I will be launching a new radio show entitled Sounds in the Valley with yours truly, Chaplain Evalyn Roache. It gives me an opportunity to showcase various groups in the city and in the valley. That's what this program is all about. I tell you, I'm just so excited for what God is doing, has done, and is going to do in my life. So tune in next Saturday morning at 11:30 a.m. on 97.9 FM on the radio dial, and you can also hear us on gospeljam.net on the internet. It's a live stream. To God be the glory for all that He has done. God bless you. Bye. Hello, everybody. Praise the Lord. This is the day that the Lord has made, and we should all be glad and rejoice in it. I am just rejoicing right now for how God has just blessed me in my life, in the ministry for Him, and I'm just here today to share a bit of information for you. Starting next week, November the 4th, Saturday, 2007 at 11:30 a.m., I will be hosting a brand new radio show entitled The Sounds of the Valley, where I will be showcasing our local artists in the city, our groups, our quartets, our choirs. No group or no musical person will be left behind. I pray that you all will tune in next Saturday morning at 11:30 a.m. on 97.9 FM, and we'll also be live streaming on gospeljam.net, 11:30 a.m. And may God continue to bless you all. Bye.